Hello and welcome to SigmaXL video tutorials. In this video, I'll be demonstrating the use of two analysis of means tools found within SigmaXL: ANOM Variances and ANOM Levene Robust Variances. Here, the analysis of means methodology is applied to compare group variances or standard deviations. The ANOM Variances chart is complementary to Bartlett's test for equal variance and is also available as an option in the Bartlett's test dialog. It assumes that the data are normally distributed. We'll be using a sample data set found within SigmaXL called delivery times. To open delivery times, click SigmaXL, Help, Sample Data, and then find the file deliverytimes.xlsx. This contains continuous data of hotel breakfast delivery times. Deviation time is the deviation around targeted delivery time in minutes. Click SigmaXL, Graphical Tools, Analysis of Means, ANOM Variances. Ensure that stacked column format is checked. Select Delivery Time Deviation and click Numeric Data Variable Y. Select Floor and click Group Category X. Select Standard Deviations and set alpha level to 0.05. Click OK. The ANOM Variances chart visually shows that none of the group standard deviations are significantly different from the grand mean of all standard deviations. It is called an ANOM Variances chart, but displays standard deviations for ease of interpretation. This is similar to a standard deviation S control chart. This does, however, result in non-symmetrical decision limits. To display variances, simply rerun the analysis with the variances option selected. The ANOM Levene Robust Variances chart is complementary to Levene's test for equal variance, and is also available as an option in the Levene's test dialog. Since it uses absolute deviations from the median, it is robust to the assumption of normality. To demonstrate this tool, we'll be using a sample data set found within SigmaXL called Customer Data. To open Customer Data, click SigmaXL, Help, Sample Data, and then find the file customerdata.xlsx. In this dataset, we'll be using the variable responsive to calls, which is non-normal data. To run the tool, click SigmaXL, Graphical Tools, Analysis of Means, ANOM Levene Robust Variances. Check Use Entire Data Table and click Next. Ensure that stacked column format is checked. Select Responsive to Calls and click Numeric Data Variable Y. Select Customer Type and click Group Category X. Set alpha level to 0.05. Clicking OK will provide us with the ANOM Levene Robust Variances chart. The ANOM chart clearly shows Customer Type 1 has significantly higher variance than overall. Customer Type 2 has significantly lower variance. This is desirable because it means a more consistent responsiveness to calls. The varying decision limits are due to the varying sample sizes for each customer type, with smaller sample size giving wider limits in a manner similar to a control chart. If the data are balanced, the decision limit lines will be constant. This concludes the ANOM Variances and ANOM Levene Variances tutorial videos. For more videos, visit us at www.sigmaxl.com or join us on YouTube. Thank you for watching.